Hello guys, guess where we are today? Oh yes, we are also located in a HSGQ factory. Today, what's going on? Yes, as you can see, we're gonna go for the HSGQ OLT assembling. Yes, first step we're gonna put the insulators, as you can see my team is doing. Okay, show you how perfection they are. After all these insulators, then we go for the PCBA. Guess what's the model of this OLT? If your answer is right, I send you a gift. Okay, next step we go for the screws. How many screws? Count it by yourself, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 screws, okay? Now let's go for the front panel. We see 4 pom poles, 4 RJ45. As you can see, this model is HSGQ XE04R. It's a 4-pole ORT, Gpon, 10G uplink. Okay, what's this? Oh, fans. How many fans we have here? 2 fans. Go for the screws. Excellent. What's next? Oh, yes. This is a black insulator. Check for what? Yes, it's for the power. Yes, right. AC power. Cool. Yes, the green one is a DC. Okay. Connect with the PCBA. Fans 2. One more. AC power cable with the PCBA. Cool. Very professional. Now tidy up all these cables to make it very clear and nice looking. You must have a question. HSGQ ORT, if they can have a dual power? The answer is yes. Of course, yes. You can choose dual AC or AC plus DC. Very good. Perfecto. Okay. Thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.